Welcome back, my lovely family, to the channel, my dazzling decor, where luxury is affordable. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always rocking with me. And to my new subbies, thank you so much for stopping by. And to you, lady, thank you. It was really a pleasure talking to you at the store yesterday. So, in today's video, I'm really excited to show you my entryway Christmas decor. This year, I wanted to create a warm, welcoming look by blending champagne gold with deep red, ivory, and emerald green. You know, the champagne gold adds a bit of sparkle, while deep red and emerald green give it that classic Christmas feel. Ivory brings in the softness that balances it all out. I will walk you through my choices and share some tips on how I layer these colors to create an elegant and festive entryway for your own home. So let's get to work. So I started obviously with one flocked garland. And guys, I'm so sorry we couldn't post on Sunday and even on Monday. But we've been able to retrieve some clips here and there. It's been one of them days, and there will be some part that you will not see me put some items, and those were some of the challenges. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I pray we don't encounter this kind of problems anymore. Thank you so much for your love and support.
All the colored lights lighting up this town, and as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
But added another one after realizing it wasn't going to be full for the last look I want to achieve. I flapped them and opened them up.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside,
I added another large frosted garland on top, and after carefully adjusting and making sure the green falls naturally, I then went ahead and added 3 string lights, weaving evenly through the garland to create this cozy glow.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up.
I also added a battery-operated garland on top of the mirror, and I secured it with a push pin because it wasn't that heavy.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our love.
Okay, so now let's add in some metallic ornaments floral picks in our colors. I'm mixing them up evenly across the garland for a balanced look. Moving on with the garland, I added this beautiful frosted deep red picks, berry picks, to the wreath, just to mimic the beautiful garland, cozy garland we have just created.
Today, all snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
I also tied emerald green ribbon to the neck of the reindeers, and I am placing them against the wall. And Christmas tree cones against the wall also.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Let's wrap it up with this beautiful runner. And look at how beautiful they are all looking, guys. I am so happy I'm able to create this beautiful look. And hopefully you are also inspired to do the same for your homes. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for always tuning in to watch. Thank you. Thank you all so much for joining me as I decorated my entryway for the holidays. I hope this champagne gold, deep red, ivory, and emerald green theme inspired you to add some festive elegance to your own home. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday decor ideas, and let me know in the comments what colors you are using this season. Wishing you all a warm and joyful Christmas season. And please don't forget that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.